Okay, that's what we have here. This is a 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 5 minutes first to find what's happening here. And in case I want to take a trade, I should know. So this stopped here. This is the 400 level. So what are the key areas here? So this has been the lowest low so far. If I collect into this is the trend line, and this is also, sorry, one more trend line here. This is actually a trend channel, but the problem with the trend channel is that it should be trying to be as much as possible parallel to it. And if I look into that parallelism thing, it should take, yes, it should be like this, covering most of the thing. So this has tried once to break through this channel. Third attempt has not happened. I think it will come down from upper one deviation. So now I'm looking under the 1 minute chart. In general, I think this can come down from upper one deviation because the channel here is more closer. Sorry, trend line is more closer here. It has not really been met. I can make it a bit like this. Then I know that it has met 3 times. Yeah, that can happen. So one, two, three, the third time it's getting pushed back, and then this channel line again. Yeah, I know it sounds like a bit of waste time, but this is how it has to be happening. It has to happen like this. This is a channel line. This is a channel level. This is a channel level. So this should be happening something like this, as close as possible. Okay, so it's going up towards the channel, which is a very good sign. However, I'm not very sure about what's going to happen, so I will just see what's happening on the 1D on the 1 minute chart. At least we know the channels, right? And those channels are for those channels are for really big channels with five minute things. So let's try to create smaller channels, smaller trend lines. So if I try to create a smaller trend line, it's something like this. Yes. So it is 3 white soldiers here. So I want to bring it like this. So it is 3 white soldiers here. That's better. It's 3 white soldiers here. Here the channel line is there. 3 white soldiers retracement is happening. 20, also 23.6 level is nearby. I would still call it retracement, but if I have to call it retracement, 23.6 level is a good level to actually reverse from. So let's use this to reverse from. Yeah, 23.6 level, about 23.6 level. Yes, please. Yeah. So this is a big um Fibonacci level. It did not touch it yet. 23.6 level already slowed down. Also one deviation, and this was quite a good doji to reverse it from about 23.6 level. See, this is a good level. This is, I know this, you may find that okay, I'm going against the trend. No, it's not against the trend, but let's see what else we can do here. Since we have built our setup, it clearly says that it can go up because trend is strong, but you say three white soldiers, retracement, continuation, and it has to be reversal. But the reversal has to happen above this level. So this level is also a key level somewhere. No, no, not really. Is this a support level here? Kind of a support level. We'll just leave it like that. Just went support for 2 times, and now it stopped there because it became reversal, retracement. Sorry, resistance level. There is a 50 level here waiting for it. I would say 50 level in combination with all of this could work. So let's do it above 50 level. I could not get there. So maybe it's more to get there, up all there. But if I have to take it above 50 level, I have to take it above 2 division also, because then there are so many key levels here. You cannot just take the lowest key level here, you have to take the highest key level. The meanwhile, this 5 minute is also showing 3 white soldiers being formed, and 20 EMA is in reach in 5 level, which suggests that it can go further up. This is channel level is a bit far away. This is a resistance level even here. A lot of resistance level, I would use this last resistance level, if at all, to bring it down. It did not go there, but see, it got pulled back, pushed back from it. This was a level here. But since this was a big candle, even though it was weak because of the both wicks, and I did not want to really trade this. Now, this is a dark cloud cover with a very good pullback resistance level pushback or rejection. It's not a pullback, it's a rejection. So if I have to use this, I can actually use it, but I have to see that is it not 3 white soldiers retracement. So this was still close. I wanted it a little bit here, then so much close to the closing point here. So let's see. This could also ask for one time more continuation before reversal. Let's say second leg or second, yeah, not leg, but second high, high 2. This is high 1. No, this is not high 1. This is not even low one, but it's trying to go up. Let's say that it could not make it, so it will come down. But this is a strong candle, which you just saw, a really strong trending candle. So even if it is shaven head, it's a strong candle. By the second attempt, almost happening the next candle. So I would be careful. In this one, this is a breakout from. Yeah, let's take this away now. This is a breakout stopping at this resistance level. Yeah, this resistance level. This one. So it can go down. So it has to go down for sure. Second reason why it will come down is but not so easily because this is weakness. Weakness again, weakness. Yeah, it can come down. But the thing is, it can come down from this level, and I want it will come down closer to 100 EMA, a very good candle to call this as a continuation. It can come down further. I need a better entry point, at least above one deviation, if nothing else, above this level. I did not get it. I will not trade this. I know it will come down, but you have to understand that this is actually coming to the fifth, almost closer to this level and one deviation here, which is which can act as a support level for now. And then there is a trend line here. So my bet would be that if it tries to get into the trend line, I will simply ask it to. This will be third attempt at a trend line. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So let's get it. Let's allow it to come down to third trend line, if at all. Before making a move. Yeah, okay. So this is three black crows retracement. It has to come down to the trend line, but you have to find the right entry level. And I said it can be either the 0050 level or it as good as one deviation, but I don't get any of those levels in this trading point, so I will not trade this. And in principle, it could be that it has already touched trend line because yeah, we cannot be very accurate with these lines, right? Maybe it's so close that it already touched it and it wants to go up. But had I made a trade, I would have done it above this level as I mentioned to you before. Now this one is saying that I'm stuck between two key levels, 50 level and this level. 20 EMA is above this. I would say there is a gap left to reach one deviation. At the same time, this candle has closed at 50 level of this. If I make this bigger, it is so much stuck in between. And you know what? This is another line forming here. I don't know what it can be called, but this is 50% level, so it has to go up. So yeah, it has to go up. I'm at 16th minute. My policy is 15 minutes session. Already made one successful trade, and I'm finding another trend line connection here. So what is it now? This is an engulfing in the direction of the minor trend. Went so far up. Is it a breakout? Huge candle. Yes, definitely. We try to reach this point like this and this. One, two, three, one, two, three. It can break out. Yes, it can break out. So my question is that can we call it a breakout? But if it is a breakout, it cannot cross two deviations so easily. Like what do you think? Because it has already been to two deviation here. This is resistance level. This is resistance level. This was more or less a weak candle with two equal wicks. So it will close close to two deviation but not above two deviation. So it will not cross two deviation. Absolutely, yes. Great, thank you.